Moving on, now we have is something very basic. मतलब इतना basic है कि I should not be talking about it. Maybe just notice कि मैंने कैमरा बहुत ही ऊपर करा हुआ था, but I think this is the better position. Tell me, just tell me who doesn't have a denim jacket. And honestly, अभी कहीं भी किसी भी market में चले जाओ, you will see that shawls and scarves are never out of fashion. You will be styling it every time you go out. Like, this is what I mean when I said a turtleneck sweater is a must have in your wardrobe. If someone is telling you need bunch of clothes to elevate your look this winter, to look stylish or maybe to look cool, or telling you to have a proper wardrobe this winters, they are clearly lying, because you don't need a wardrobe full of clothes to survive. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Khwahish and welcome back to this channel. I really hope you guys are doing absolutely great. And before getting into today's video, firstly, please take a moment to appreciate what I'm holding. Yes, like this is my new mic. I've just bought a new mic, and let me know how is the audio quality. And I'm back with a new video. So through the title of this video, you guys already be knowing what are we going to do today. Yes, we are going to talk about clothes, and by clothes I mean some winter clothes, like the clothes you should have in your wardrobe. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so firstly let's start with what I'm actually wearing right now. Like, this is a plain black sweater. To be honest, a plain black sweater is something that might look very basic and very outdated, but hear me out, a black sweater is a base that you can literally style in different ways. There's a bunch of ways you can literally style this black sweater. If you are looking for something casual, like very casual, just going outside, you can literally go with this. You can literally go with the skirt as well. Let me show you. As you guys know, a skirt can also never go wrong. It's just that I'm pairing a black skirt with this black sweater. You can go with any color skirt. In winters you can pair it with the stockings, boots, and it is going to look like a bomb combo. And literally you just need a black sweater, a skirt, pair of stockings, boots, and you are done, like absolutely done. But for now I don't have a stockings with me and boots as well, so I'm just giving you like an example of how you can style a black sweater. You can go with a white pair of jeans with this black sweater. इसका तो मैंने अभी तक टैग भी नहीं निकाला है. This is how you can pair it with. And dark color के साथ usually beige colors, pastel color, a little bit light color goes really well. These are literally few ways that you can style your black sweater with, and now you know how much important a black sweater is in your wardrobe right now. Okay, moving on, we have is a shawl, a scarf, whatever, like a basic scarf or a shawl. Ta-da! I have like a shorts on my channel telling you how you can style a shawl, a scarf in different ways, so you can watch that out. But for right now, I can't stress enough on how much a shawl, like a basic any color shawl, is a must in your wardrobe this winter. Because देखो, if you don't want your black sweater to just look like this, like a plain, you can add a pop of color to it and it will look really good. These are the few ways that you can style a scarf or a shawl this winter. Honestly, अभी कहीं भी किसी भी market में चले जाओ, you will see that shawls and scarves are never out of fashion, because there's a way to style it, and when you know it, you know that there's no going back. You know that you will be styling it every time you go out. Like, seriously, I cannot stress enough on it, but just urge you to have a shawl or a scarf in your wardrobe. Like any color would do, but have it. I just noticed कि मैंने कैमरा बहुत ही ऊपर करा हुआ था, but I think this is the better position. But anyway, and please ignore the condition of my hairs. This is the third, like a denim jacket. Like, just tell me who doesn't have a denim jacket? You. If you are the one, you just need to change that, because a basic denim jacket is something you should definitely invest in.
That was
You should
legit.
def-
Yeah, it was. Huh?
Sorry guys, you should definitely invest in this winters, because there's no because. I mean, a denim jacket could literally break or make your look. Again, you can pair it either you are going out or for the office, to be honest, wherever, because I feel like denim jacket can never be out of fashion. And if you don't believe me, just go to Pinterest and search for denim inspo, and you will literally get how much ways there is to style this denim jacket. And even if not ways, you can literally pair it like simply under a black or whatever tank top, and this will eventually elevate the look. Moving on, we have is something very basic. Also, before moving on for the denim jacket, you can literally pair it with the boots and shoes, whatever. But for winters like January, December, or maybe February, boots would do much better. Okay, moving on. Now we have is something very basic. मतलब इतना basic है कि I should not be talking about it maybe, but I just realized it few days back because I was thinking to wear this particular cloth, and I just realized कि oh, I can't wear it like this. I should have something inside it, and nothing was really working out. Then I just remembered that I don't have a normal basic white or a black color turtleneck sweater with me. Like a turtleneck sweater is something you should definitely have in your wardrobe, because let me show you. This is what I mean when I said a turtleneck sweater is a must have in your wardrobe. Also, this is the dress I was talking about when I thought that I literally need a turtleneck sweater to get this pair, and this is how it looks like. To be honest, I'm just too lazy to tie my hairs and to look cute, but honestly this will look really good with a good pony. Go get yourself a turtleneck right now if you don't have one, because this can save you. Like, these are the few pictures that you can style turtleneck with, and this was just one way. Moving on to the next one we have is a half sweater. I'm not even kidding, I had this half sweater. I bought it from Sarojini few years back, and I used to style it every now and then. Now I don't have it because my dad kind of didn't like it, so he threw it. I'm not even kidding. Go to your Pinterest and ask for half sweater inspo, and you will get it. It's literally a must have in your wardrobe, because again, a turtleneck and a half sweater, like this is the picture of me. I just wore it few days back in my office. A pair of half sweater also looks really good though. I mean, you can style it in your office, or just casually going out, or however you want to. So try to thrift half sweater. Try to get it from maybe markets like Sarojini, Janpat if you're living in Delhi, because as far as I've researched, half sweaters are kind of expensive though, like when you look it online. But obviously quality matters too, so you can look up to that yourself. But investing in a good half sweater is something you won't regret. And guess what, even I only have one pair of half sweater, to be honest, and yeah, I think I'm just going to spend the rest of my winters in it. Okay, so the last is my favorite clothing, like when it comes to winter, and I cannot stress about it enough कि मुझे सच में cardigans कितने पसंद है. Like, I cannot stress enough about how much I love wearing cardigans in winters. Not that I have so many of them, but whatever 2 to 3 pairs I own are literally my savior. So having cardigans is also, I feel like, is something must have in your wardrobe when it comes to winters, because not only they look good, they literally make your look so good. Okay, that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching till here if you did, and also let me know your favorite winter clothing. And also please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and follow me on Instagram if you want to. And yeah, that's it. We'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.